This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we were at the Precious Metals Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me right now is Gary O'Connor from Moneta Porcupine Mines. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you, MPUCF in the US and ME on the TSX. Gary, welcome to SNN.Live.
Thank you, and it's great to be here.
It's great to have you. So for our audience, let's start off with an overview of the company, and then we'll go from there.
Thank you. Moneta Porcupine is a junior explorer in the Timmins Camp. That's Canada's most prolific gold mining camp in Ontario, and we currently have a large resource base which we are growing. Thank you.
So what I really want to get to is the history of the company. When did it start, and how did you develop to where you're currently at today?
Well, actually, Moneta is a very old company. It's over 100 years old. It's the oldest continually listed company on the TSX, but we've been rebranding it in the last 2 years, where we're going after what were historically the high-grade targets of the previous explorers, and we're developing those resources now and expanding them.
So what would you say makes the company unique when compared to your peers out there?
We're probably the only junior in the Timmins camp. Remember, this is a very prolific camp. We have a large land holding which has been built over those 100 years. We are now have a good solid resource base, and we are readily expanding those with new resource updates due out next month.
So what's your background? I mean, how'd you come into all this? 100 years of history? I mean, when did you join Moneta?
I joined 2 years ago, and I joined as part of a reorganisation of the company to give it focus and to expand and add value to the resources. I've actually got 35 years of exploration experience across the globe, worked for majors, junior companies, a lot of resource discoveries under my belt, and the company felt I had the skills required to move Moneta forward.
And then from what you can tell me, what are some of the company's value catalysts now for the rest of 2019 going into 2020?
We have a new resource due out in October. That will be a incremental extension of the southwest deposit, which we've been drilling. We'll have new network coming out for the southwest deposit. We'll have drilling on new targets along our Golden Highway project. These will be new targets, not current resource areas. And we'll also be expanding the resources at the 55 and Windjammer South deposit areas.
And where can our audience go and find more information about Moneta Porcupine?
Our website, monetaporcupine.com.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live. And we're at the Precious Metals Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me again has been Gary O'Connor from Moneta Porcupine Mines. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you, ME on the TSX and MPUCF in the US. Gary, thank you again for joining me today.
Thank you very much.